Good morning, dear students. Are you fine now? I hope all are doing well. Okay, very good. In last class, we studied about measurement of length and weight. Okay. Now, this class we studied about measurement of capacity. Listen. Measurement of capacity. Measurement of capacity. Listen. The capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. Listen. The capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. You already studied it in second standard. Measurement of capacity. Listen, the standard unit of measuring capacity is the liter. The standard unit of measuring capacity is the liter. Listen, L-I-T-R-E. Listen, liter. L-I-T-R-E. Liter. We measure liquids such as water, milks, oils in liter. Okay, in liter. Small amounts of liquids such as medicines, we measure milliliter. Milliliters. We write liters as L. Liters as L and milliliters. Listen. Listen. Liters, L and milliliters. Milliliters as ml. ml. The large quantities of liquids we measure in liters and small units or small amounts of liquids such as medicines we use milliliters. Okay. Next, 1 liter equal 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Listen. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Okay. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Vessels of different shapes and size are used to measure liquids or measure capacity. Okay. Listen, 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, half liter or 500 milliliter, 1 liter and 2 liters or 2000 milliliters. Okay. Listen. Next part, we move next part in our lesson. Conversion of liters to milliliters. Conversion of liters to milliliters. liters. Okay. Listen. Conversion of liters to milliliters. Liters to milliliters. Milliliters. Conversion of liters to milliliters. Okay. Listen. To convert liters to milliliters, we multiply the number of liters by 1000. Listen. To convert liters to milliliters, listen carefully, liters to milliliters, we multiply the number of liters by 1000. Okay. Listen. 1 liter is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Next, 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter. Next, 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. So on. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Listen. Converts converts 4 liter to milliliters. Milliliters. Convert 4 liter to milliliters. How can we solve it? How can? Yes, 4 into 1000 milliliter. Yes, 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 milliliter. 4 into 1000 milliliter. Okay. 4 into 1000 milliliter is equal to 4000 milliliters. 4000 milliliters. Okay. 4 into, yes. Next, 9 liter. 9 liter is equal to 9 into, yes, good. 9 into, good. 9 into 1000 milliliter. Yes, 9000. Yes, 9000 milliliters. Next one, all of you write it in your notebook. Next one, second one, all of you listen. Convert 4 liter 300 milliliter to milliliters. Milliliters. Convert 4 liter and 300 milliliters to milliliters. Listen. 3 liter and 4 liter and 300 milliliter is equal to 4 into, yes, 4 into 1000 milliliter plus yes 300 milliliter is equal to 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 plus 4000 plus, okay, 4000 plus 4000 milliliter plus 300 milliliter, okay, yes, 4000 and 300 milliliter. Do you understand how is it solve this problem? Yes. All of you write it in your notebook. Next, conversion of milliliters to liters. Conversion of milliliters to liters. Okay. To convert milliliters to liters, we divide the number of milliliters by 1000. Yes. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. We already studied it. Okay. Next, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 2000 milliliter is equal to 2 liter. 3000 milliliter is equal to 3 liter, and so on. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Yes. First problem. Listen. First, listen. Convert 6,000 milliliters to liters. Listen. 5,000 milliliters is equal to, yes, is equal to 5,000 divided by 1,000. 5,000 divided by 1,000. 5,000 divided by, sorry, listen, 6,000 is equal to 6,000 divided by 6,000 divided by 1,000. 6,000 divided by 1,000 is equal to 5 liter. Is equal to 6 liter. Okay. 6,000 divided by 1,000 liter is equal to 6 liter. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Next, convert 4732 milliliter to liters and milliliters and milliliters and milliliters. Listen, 4722 milliliters is equal to 4000 milliliter plus 723 milliliter. 723 milliliter. Okay, is equal to 4000 divided by 1000 milliliter plus 723 milliliter. Okay, listen. 4000 divided by 1000 milliliter is equal to 4000 milliliter plus 723 milliliter is equal to 4723 milliliters. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. All of you finished? Yes. All of you take your textbook, open the page number 73. Exercise number 8. Exercise number 8. Convert the following to milliliters. Convert the following to milliliters. There are 6 problems. All of you write it in your notebook. And B, convert the following to liters and milliliters. Convert the following to liters and milliliters. You write it in your textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Yes. Next, addition and subtraction of capacity. Addition and subtraction of capacity. Addition and subtraction of capacity. Okay. Listen. First problem, 2 liter and 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter means a half liter. 2 and half liter. Okay. It is 3 liter and 40 milliliter and 562 milliliter. Add the 3 amounts. Okay. Listen. Listen. 2 liter. All of you listen carefully. You will write the liters in liters column and milliliters in milliliters column. All of you listen carefully. Okay. 2 liter and 500 milliliter. 3 liter and 40 milliliter. You listen carefully. You will write the milliliters and milliliters column and liters in liters column, and you listen the places of numbers and the places of numbers. Yes, you already studied the places of numbers and place values, the places. Okay, listen. Next, plus 1 liter and 1 liter and 1 liter and 1 liter and 62 and 1 liter and 62 milliliter. 1 liter and 62 milliliter. Listen. All of you listen. 2 0 5 plus 5 10 10 plus 1 11. Carry the 1 in this place. 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 2. Yes, 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 1 7. Thus the sum is 7 liter and 102 milliliter. 102 milliliter. Listen, okay. All of you listen. You write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Next, subtraction of capacity. Subtraction of capacity. Subtract, listen, seconds. Subtract 1 liter 600 milliliter from 6 liter 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter. All of you listen. 6 liter. 6 liter. All of you listen carefully. You will write the liters in liters column and milliliters in milliliters column. Milliliters and 1 liter and 600 milliliters. Subtract 1 liters and 600 milliliters from 6 liters and 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters means half liter. Okay. Yes. Zero. 15. There 5. You already studied the rules of subtraction. Listen. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 9 and the 5. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Yes. Thus listen, 4900 milliliter is equal to 4 liter and 9000 milliliter. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Do you understood? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. All of you take your textbook. Open the page number 75. Open the page number 75. Exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. Add the following in your notebook and subtract the following in your notebook. Okay. Next, there are some word problems. There are some word problems. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Word problems. Listen. All of you take your textbook. Take your textbook. Page number 76. 76. Examples. Example number 1. Listen and read. 3 liter and 466 milliliter of honey was mixed in 4 liter. 28 milliliter of milk. What is the total quantity of mixture? Listen. 3 liter and 466 milliliter of honey was mixed in 4 liter and 28 milliliter of milk. What is the total quality of the mixture? Listen. First we write quantity of honey. Quantity of honey. Quantity of honey. Listen. Is equal to 3 liter and 466 milliliter. 3 liter and 466 milliliter. Next, we write quantity of milk. Quantity of milk. Listen. 4 liter and 28 milliliter. 4 liter and 28 milliliter. Next, what is the total quantity of mixture? Total quantity of mixture is equal to total quantity of mixture is equal to 3 liters and 466 milliliters plus 4 liter and 28 milliliters. Listen. 3 liter and 466 milliliter plus 4 liter and 28 milliliter. Okay. Yes. All of you listen. 3 liter. This is the in liters column. You will write liters in liters column and milliliters in milliliters column. Okay. 3 liter and 466 milliliter plus 4 liter and 28 milliliter. Listen. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14. 2 plus 6 is equal to, yes, 8 plus 1, 9. 4. 3 plus, yes, 3 plus 4 is equal to, very good, 7. 7. Thus, the answer is the total quantity of the mixture is 7 liter. 7 liter and 494 milliliter. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Okay. Next, all of you listen in your textbook. Listen in your textbook. The capacity of a tank is 50 liter. The capacity of a tank is 50 liter. It already has 23 liters 750 milliliters of water. Yes, how much water can be poured into the tank? In this problem, we subtract the two quantities. Listen, we subtract. Listen. Total capacity of tank. First, we write total capacity of the tank. Total capacity of the tank is equal to 50 liter. 50 liter. Listen carefully. Quantity of water in the tank. Quantity of water in the tank. In the tank. Yes, is equal to 23 liters and 750 milliliters. 23 liters and 750 milliliters. Okay. All of you listen. All of you listen. Listen here. 50 milliliters. 50 milliliters divided by 23 and 750 milliliters. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. The 10. 10 10 minus 5, 5. Next 10. 10 minus 7, that's 9. There 9. 9 plus 7 minus 7. 9 minus 7, yes, 2. And there 9. 9 plus 3, 9 minus 3 equal 6. And there 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2. Okay. The quantity of water in the tank that can be poured is 26 liter and 250 milliliter. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. There are some word problems in your textbook. Textbook page number 76. 76. Solve these word problems in your notebook. All of you solve these problems in your notebook. You should finish your work. This is the time for bind up our class. Thank you everyone.